How to create links to files with Foldy Links. With Foldy Links, you can create links to files and folders. In this lesson, we explore 3 ways of creating links. I have a project folder in the Files app, and I've used Foldy to create a base folder that contains the project folder. The first way of creating links is to browse from the base folder. Then copy a link to the file and paste it into your document. Or simply drag and drop a link. The second way is to drag and drop a file or folder from the Files app and let Foldy look up a matching base folder and relative path. The third way is to use a link to a containing folder and add a relative path manually outside of Foldy. You can also use numbers or scripting to auto-generate links. These were the 3 ways of creating links with Foldy.